Hey guys, it's Yanne from Light Level 7, and I'm giving you the long-awaited Gear 500 gaming setup. It's not really long-awaited, but I'm giving it to you anyway. So, there's my computer, there's my monitor, iPod dock, Star Wars, nothing else to say. Except for that awesomeness, I have a Xbox controller here, a no-name one, a random old router that was giving me problems, a lamp that isn't plugged in, a picture that isn't on the wall, a big pile of empty boxes, my iPod plug with some redneck tape job on it, my headset, my Dell mouse that I love so much, my HP keyboard, which is alright, 21.5 inch HP monitor, second generation 8GB iPod dock, power bar on the back, it's the back side of my computer, nothing much to see, window, top bunk of the bunk bed. I'm the only one that sleeps in this bedroom, but I still have a bunk bed. I am packing for a road trip that I'm going on tomorrow. So for the next week, this is, what is this? June 1st, I think. Yes, June 1st, Friday. For the next week, so until like June, what would it be, 10th or 11th, I won't be able to upload any videos. So that's why. I'm gone. My closet, random pictures, old pictures that I took out of a calendar a couple of years back. That's why there's that little cut in there. The Volkswagen calendar. I don't know. Map. Canadian goaltenders poster. Clothing hooks. Global Express. It's my dad's picture. I love it. I took it. Yeah, basically that's it. My headset. My chair that you can sometimes hear in the background in some of my videos. An air vent with the Ethernet cord coming out of it because I had to route that through the ducts in my house. An ancient dresser with missing handles. That's how ancient it is, and it's all scratched up. Pretty solid desk though, so it works. Crack in the wall. Yeah. Anyway, I'm gonna take the computer off the desk and open it up and show you guys the specs and everything. Alright guys, I got it all opened up, and I know I'm gonna get a lot of rage for my cable management because I kind of haven't tried yet. I probably should do that pretty soon. But anywho, let's start with the 1TB Western Digital Caviar Black hard drive. Oh, by the way, my case is a let's see. No, I can't see that. It says Antec somewhere right there. It's an Antec 302 case. Yeah, so there's my hard disk drive. My SSD, Patriot Pyro, 60GB is down there. Here is my PC power and cooling silencer, MK3, 600 watt power supply. I've got my AMD FX 6100 CPU under that stock heatsink. On my I always forget the name of this motherboard. Hold on, I'll grab my box. Asus M5A97 motherboard. That's what it is. Alright. Then I've got my Asus GeForce GTX 550 Ti 1GB GPU on there. I've got 16GB of Kingston DDR3 RAM, and yeah, that's basically it actually. So Yeah, I could probably clean this up a little bit. I definitely could. I haven't quite tried yet. I'll probably do that soon. I might make a video after I do it, just to show you guys what it looks like. But yeah, that's basically it. Thanks for watching. Tell me what you think of it. I'm making this video like a couple months after I put this together. So if you're wondering why I have the 550 Ti 1GB version instead of the 2GB version, which are the same price, that's because the 2GB version was not out when I bought it. So, yeah. Sorry for the shaky camera, if it was a little shaky. Sorry for the lack of good view around my room. Random cables. My room is a little small, so here. I'm against the wall right now, and that's the best view I can give you. So, yeah. Oh, this case comes with a pretty cool feature where you can, remove the dust filter, and you can kind of see the dust on there. Whew, should clean that. Balance that. There. Alright, anyway, thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe if you like it. I'll probably make more. And yeah, that's my setup. Bye.